We are back, ladies and gentlemen. Don't Cage just fell off that ladder right on those tarps. And those tarps are not soft, let me tell you.
Dylan, just be lucky I'm not leaving with this, alright? Be happy with the extreme one leaving.
He just threw the hardcore title like it's a toy or something.
I'm done.
Oh no, don't do this! Pedro, don't do this! Oh my god! Bone crusher right on the tarp! All those tarps stack onto each other. Really creates a hard surface, and Pedro's trying to escape. No, he's not. He's grabbing his extreme title. What's Pedro doing here?
Leaving.
He's leaving. He's leaving. Pedro's leaving. Is he gonna do it? Is he doing it? Don't Cage. He's barely up. Pedro checking if he can make it. Guess he can. Wait. Excuse me? Excuse me? Pedro, you could have won the match right there.
You're right.
Well,
Be right back.
what are you doing?
I have to get one more thing on my chest.
You could be costing yourself this match right here. This could mean everything. Don't Cage could get an extreme title shot if he beats you here. Oh, he's doing what he get. He's another one. Wow. Another bone crusher onto that hard tarp.
This is for bodyguard right now.
That is a bodyguard shirt.
You know, stop selling my own merchandise.
They did. They did. His contract ends in 2 weeks at the end of the month. Same time as the Gauntlet pay-per-view.
Later, losers.
Pedro won. Just close that door. Yep, it's official. Pedro has won.
I'll claw my way out of any situation.